Are you? I'm Naveen Singh. As a I am from Indra Micro as a pre-sales consultant at Chandigarh. I take care of the Cisco business and I take care of Cisco products also. And so Cisco has launched two new access points, that is 1852 and 1832 in Wave 2. It gives 1.7 Gbps of throughput, and it has many special features. Uh, it has inbuilt controller of 25 access points, and now this is you can see this is the physical architecture of uh, 1852 access points. This is console port, this is USB port, this is auxiliary port, and this is PoE port, and this is power adapter ports. And you can if you don't have a PoE switch, then you can plug it into power adapter. This is the physical topology of the switch, and this is connected to the PoE switch, and an access point. You can connect any clients. This give you 1.7 Gbps throughput, and here if it is green LED will be green, so it will ready to work. And now I will tell about the how to configure this access points. So this is a home page of the configuration. Here you can create admin username, admin password, and confirm password. After typing this, you can reach into the setup of your controller. This is the you can give your system name. This is the country you are configuring for. This is the time setup, and this is the time zone setup, and this is NTP server. This is the management IP address. It gives if you want to call it at wave user wave interface, then it you can call from this IP, and this is the default gateway. So now after this, after creating your setup of controller, you can create a wireless network. What is a wireless network? This is just a SSID. So you can type here your SSID, like he has typed employee dot hyphen psk, and this is the security setup. What security you want? WPA, WPA2, or WEP. So I have chosen WPA2 personal, and this is the passphrase. This is SID key, and you can this is 8 to 9 digit SID key. And if you want to create this into management VLAN, then this you can type you can create this into the management VLAN. So here you have set up your wireless network. So if any guest comes into the your company, so what you will do? So this will create you can create a guest network for this, because the guest network is used to isolate your isolate from your wireless network to the your employees wireless network to the guest network. So this is the guest SSID name. This is the wave consent. If you want wave security like username or anything, so you can type here security. Here security will be wave consent, and this is the VLAN you want to uh, VLAN you want to create, and this is the DHCP server address. This is optional, and now if the here is advanced option, advanced setting. You can there are three types of client density: low, typical, and high. If your client density is very low, so you can click here low, or if it is medium, so it is you can type typical. And if your client density is very high, so you select here as a high. And it again, this is traffic type, this is the data and voice network. This is for the what is the traffic type. Like if you have data traffic, so you can click here data. If you have a video or voice or mix hybrid, so you can select some other options also. And here I have set up my controller. So
Okay.
So this is the controller option. If you enter into the controller, so here is the controllers. So your controller's console. Here is the AP for the client search. You can search your client. This is the network summary. This is the access points. What are the access points you have connected to it? This is the client information. This is the wireless dashboard, like yeah, what this is for the performance, like how your AP is performing, how your client is performing. This is some wireless settings and management settings and advanced settings. Here you can see uh, my wireless network. I have one wireless network and 9 access points connected to it, and this is the client type, like there is no 2.4 gigahertz client. There are 14 5 gigahertz clients, and here I have uh, 249 APs, and this is the interface 2.4 gigahertz. So you can see this is very excellent, and